welcome back everybody. So today we have a 2019 Dodge in here, and we are going to be working on the frame on it. We're going to be doing a full-on frame coat and some of the under panels on the bed and stuff like that we're going to coat. That's not really rusting yet, but the factory coating has come off, and we're actually going to replace that with our rust inhibitor slash coatings that's actually designed to weather like that. Will actually last a lot longer. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to show you how we do it. We've already got the truck cleaned. We've already got started on the rear axle. Actually, I did a coat of that already, so that can be dry, and then we can just continue on with the truck. So let's get into this, folks. All right, folks, it's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Sorry about that, Mike. Couldn't help myself. But let's get into this and get this frame done. Okay, I gotta get up in here. Okay. Okay folks, so we just finished up on this truck, so let's go ahead and check it out and see how we did. So alright, so we just went and freshly coated the frame. That's actually our patented coating that we have come out with. It's got a little texture to it. I really like the way it looks though, as far as the way it looks on these trucks. Like I said, I did the rear differential as well. We'll get down here and check that out. I think it looks absolutely amazing compared to what it did look like as it was starting to rust. But this truck's good for many more years of service, and that's how we do it. So let's get back into it, folks. Hey, welcome back everybody. So today we've got a 93 Silverado in here, and we're getting ready to do the frame on it. Now it's actually from Florida, so the frame is in really good shape. Something you just don't see around here because we are in the Rust Belt, but kind of a nice change of pace. So we've already got the frame prepped. I'm getting ready to go ahead and spray it now and put our coating on it and make it look brand new again. So let's get into this, folks. Okay, so looks like it showed up really well this time, and honestly it looks probably better than it came out from the factory. So and there it is. So hopefully we get to do some more to this truck on the channel. We've got a quote together, so let's see how well it turns out, and hopefully we get to do the full-on build, because it's been a while since I've done one of these trucks, so I kind of look forward to it. But this is one of our new shirts. If you want to check it out, hit our merch site. And for now, thanks for watching, folks.